Are we proud of me or no? What is this? The fourth week in a row? Clap it up for your girl. Hi everyone, I'm Ashley and welcome back to my channel. That ruckus you hear back there is Oli. We are downstairs today. And Miss Ma'am decided she was thirsty, so forgive us. Hey, welcome back. I am before you to do a review. I was sitting one day thinking, I need to step up my level of bad bitchery. I was like, how can I do that? I'm already fine. How do you get better? And then I thought, scents. I smell good. I can always smell better. So I decided to give Scentbird a try. But before we get into the details, are you subscribed? Listen, I'm funny, I'm cute, I'm always gonna give you the real, like, go on, hit the button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. I've been trying to be consistent. I think this is the fourth week in a row. We're doing well. Don't sleep on your girl. I'm coming up. I'm coming for subscribers. I'm coming for watch hours. I'm coming for all that. So join me on my little corner of the internet. All right. So Scentbird, a perfume subscription service. They sell more than perfumes there, but right now all I'm doing is reviewing the perfume. So I am extremely sensitive, both emotionally and physically. But I have really sensitive skin, and when trying perfumes, it can go left, like real quick. You think just because it's super expensive that everything's gonna be hunky-dory, and that's not always the case. And I don't want to spend a bunch of money on something that I can't use. So sample me, please. Like, give me a little bit, test it out, and let me figure out if I want to come back and drop $100 to $300 on a bottle. But the thing about getting samples is, like, trying to go to Macy's, the salespeople are just complete buzzers. They don't let you live. They want you to buy the perfume that they want to sell. They want to make their commission, and that's totally fine, but I'm not here for that. I'm not here to do all the extra. I'm just here to test something out and go. And then if I like it, I'll come back. So once I saw that Scentbird allowed you to try some things out, I was like, I'm sold. I want to do this. Now they have a bunch of different subscription levels. You can get up to 1, 2, or 3 samples per month. I am on the 2 samples per month subscription plan, and I do believe it's like $25, $26. If you get the one sample, it is I want to say 16, 15. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. But right now I'm getting 2. I absolutely love it. I started it in November, and I've come across a few things that I love already. I have come across Moschino Cheap and Chic, which is upstairs, and there's like this much left in the tube. I have been wearing it out, honey. It became my date, special event perfume, even just, you know, maybe around the house when I want to. And then I found another one by, who this? Michael Germain. I hope I'm saying that right. Sexual Noir. So yes, this is the little tube. This is the little sample that it comes in. I believe this is, does it say how many ounces? It doesn't. It's like 0.25, 0.27 ounces. It's enough to get a decent amount of sprays. If you don't do too much, you can probably use this for a month. If you do too much, maybe 3 weeks. So yeah, this is what it comes in. And then for your first time, for free, you get this lovely little case. You go ahead and you twist it. Your perfume comes out. You pop it back in, twist it, save it. When you want to use it, hit this, sprays, and then we're good to go. What's in here? And a Sweet Sky. Did I like this? I did like it. That's probably why it's in there. I like to throw this in my purse. It's real handy, like if I'm on my way out and I know that the perfume may not last long, or if I want to just refresh and I'm out for a long time, I will go ahead, pop this in my purse, make sure, twist it down. It makes sure that the perfume is not spraying in your purse, not wasting any sprays. I thought you got one of these every time, and you don't. You do have to pay another little subscription fee to get a new one every month. I do believe it's an additional $10. But I would say it's worth it. I'm probably going to buy one soon because I feel like I need one more. I need like one for the house, one for my purse, one to like travel with, you know. I think this is just such a nifty little find. So this is really cool. I got my subscription for March, and I want to unbox it with you all here. So I just cut it open. I didn't look at anything. I don't even know what I got. Yeah, so let's do this. Let me not have my address all over the place. So it comes in a little packaging, bubble wrapped. Let's see. And I also love that it comes with these little stock cards, and it tells you, it gives you a profile on the back of what the fragrance smells like. So this is Eau du Soir. Sicily, Paris. Eau du Soir. I'm acting like I never took a French class. I took a whole French class. Like, this is ridiculous. So, Eau du Soir, a whirlwind of flowers and spice. A refined, elegant, eternally feminine fragrance. So the profile. Oli is wilding, you guys. I don't understand. Anyway, she never acts this way when I'm recording. But the fragrance profile is mandarin, grapefruit, sunflower, jasmine, and amber. And it's available at SicilyParis.com. It is made in France. And you get a little exclusive offer. So I can scan this QR code and get an offer. So I love that about that. They only put in one. Usually, I have two, so usually it comes with two. But I guess this time they were like, you can only have one. Let me see. Little gift card from Scentbird. They always like throw in some sort of coupon. So that's cool. 50% off or $50 off at Vincero Collective. Because they sell watches. That's what they do. That's what that is. Don't steal my stuff. Or do. Treat yourself. Don't do that. That's not nice. So let's see what we got. We know for sure we have the Sicily Eau du Soir. Oh, which is what I opened first. So let's give it. Did I smell it? No. I'm actually gonna spray it on the stock card so I can get like a better fragrance, like a sample, like like a sample in the store. Oh, this is giving real old school. Like, it's giving real classy. It is definitely grown. It's something you would smell on your 60-year-old auntie. Maybe not grandma, but auntie for sure. Maybe grandma. No, it's giving grandma. I kind of like it. It's nostalgic. It's nostalgic. It smells like my grandma's house. It smells like my auntie's house. I like that. I wonder how it'll smell on me, because, you know, it smells different on the car, and then you wear it, and like your body chemistry and everything can make something smell different. That's why certain fragrances don't smell good on everybody. It is giving age, but I'm not mad at it. It smells like plastic on the furniture. Yes. Okay. Et du soir. Et du soir. Y'all come collect me. Jeez. And the next one, Lalique. Rivet d'Infini. My French is you got not my part all in the thing. You can see how bad my wig is. I am wild tonight. It's fine. It doesn't matter. It's okay. What am I gonna spray this on? I got a paper towel here. We'll spray it on the paper towel. Ooh. Lord, and got all over my legs. Jesus. And I'm still this is sexy. This is date night. I wish I had the stock card so I can give you the fragrance profile. Definitely floral. I like florals. I forgot to mention, you take a test. You do take a test, and it'll tell you, you know, it'll give you suggestions based on the test. And I already knew that I like florals, but I knew I wanted something that was like kind of sexy. And Lalique, you know what? Actually, one of my first samples from Scentbird was from Lalique, or Lalique. And they also have another one that I really do like, very pricey. I think you can only find them at Neiman's. But yeah, I like this. I like them both. Very happy with both of these today. I'll probably pop one of these into the little case right here, and we will get and test them out tomorrow and let you know. Maybe I won't let you know. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what the follow-up is going to be. Maybe I'll do like a community post. Who knows? Either way, happy with my Scentbird this month. This isn't sponsored. I wish it was. All of the money that I make. What am I trying to say? I pay for Scentbird out of my own pocket. Nobody sent me anything. It would be wonderful if they did, but they did not. But that's okay. It's fine. One of these days, if you keep watching, you keep thumbsing up, you keep subscribing, maybe someday somebody will send me something, and it could be sponsored. And then I'll be able to give you guys some discounts. But until then, we're just rocking out here together. So again, thank you for rocking with me. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you take the quiz. I hope you get some cool stuff. My mom onto it. She's getting things now. And I was like, oh yeah, Mom, because we're trying out stuff. So big shout out to her. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.